What car's components need regularly replacement to save or avoid high cost of repairing? Welcome to Universal of Technology TV. Remember to make subscribe. 1. Brake fluid. You generally need a brake fluid change every 2 years or around 20,000 to 30,000 miles. But the most reliable recommendation is to follow your vehicle manufacturer's advice found in the owner's manual. If not, one time you won't be able to apply brake, which could lead to unexpected accident. 2. Spark plugs. Spark plug replacement mileage varies significantly, ranging from 25,000 miles for older copper plugs to over 100,000 miles for modern iridium or platinum plugs. If not replaced regularly, this may lead to engine cranking problem. 3. Transmission fluid. Transmission fluid changes are recommended every 30,000 and 60,000 miles for manual transmissions, and 60,000 to 100,000 miles for automatic transmissions. If fluid is not replaced regularly, this may lead to wearing and tearing of gears. 4. Vehicles tires. Recommended range, typically lasting between 50,000 and 70,000 miles for all-season tires. Though this varies based on the tire's quality, driving style, road conditions, and regular maintenance like tire pressure checks and rotations. Maintain your car regularly to avoid high cost of repairing. Thanks to watch. If you found that this video is useful, make it share with family and friends. Thank you.